I'm interested in leasing this space, filling it with new equipment, not doing renovations, and certainly not having a homeless hotel inside of the store. That's who I am.
Hello?
Shirley,
Who's this?
my name is Danny.
What's regarding to?
I want to lease some space in LA.
Okay, are you an agent?
No?
Okay, so what space you're looking for?
I'm looking at.
Oh, no, that is occupied.
You're talking about the closed down former laundromat?
Yeah, you will already have somebody own it. Yeah.
Are you sure?
Are you aware that it is shut down?
Of course.
So how is it occupied?
Yeah, they're doing some renovation inside.
Beg your pardon?
There's some renovation inside.
They're doing renovations.
How come?
Yes.
I see. Okay. Well, you've got homeless people living inside of the laundromat. Did you know that?
From time to time, yes. We have to call the police already.
From time to time.
That's great. How many times?
Yes.
Well, do you own that building? Is this your building, Shirley?
No, I'm the property manager.
Property manager.
Who am I talking to?
Again, my name is Danny D'Angelo. I've got 36 stores in 3 states. I'm interested in leasing this space, filling it with new equipment, not doing renovations, and certainly not having a homeless hotel inside of the store. That's who I am.
You're quite famous, you know.
Yeah, but there's somebody already occupied, so we just do.
I heard you. It's occupied, but it's not. It's actually shut down, and there's homeless people living inside of the laundry.
Okay, what else, sir?
That's
What
pretty
else you
bored.
need?
Oh, when you want to lease it to a good operator, call me. Save my number. Did you write my name down? What was my name? She hung up.
Damn it.
Darn it. Do you think that
Yeah,
Shirley is doing her best plausible job for this landlord? The first thing she said is a complete and utter fallacy, that it's occupied.
Well, the homeless probably. That was just
Keep an eye on it.
crazy.
Let's set your calendar for 3 months. We'll call her back. And then we'll say, write down what was said now. And in 3 months, we'll call back and say, hey, where are those renovations? How's it going? Shirley.
Yeah, for sure.
All right, bye.
All right. Thank you, bro.
Surely you're not serious. I am serious.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.